All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us. Still on the matter, Yoruba Nation no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Well, my brother, my sister, finally, Chief Sunday Igboho has finally been vindicated again. We already know that this is going to play out later, and then they're already saying it. Well, what are we actually talking about? There's been a lot of reactions onto this one as Omiyale, Awikoko, Sugar Boy, and others finally begged Chief Sunday Igboho. Hey, my brother, my sister, no be small something. Chief Sunday Igboho finally get vindicated again. You see, as far as this Yoruba Nation movement is concerned, it's only people are who are not no who are not for the movement that will definitely leave. Let me take it in another way round. It's only people who are actually for the money. A lot of them have seen money. They have paid majority of these people on this one. We have seen them all. That when they see money, the next thing they betray. And then that's the likes of Omiyale, Awikoko, Sugar Boy, and the rest of them. They even made mention of somebody, Sunday Aro, and a lot of people we cannot remember. But right now, what exactly is going on? Now, Omiyale came out not quite long, and he wrote a letter on behalf of Omiyale, Awikoko, Sugar Boy, Sunday Aro, and then others. No, they are cackles now. The set of Ashiwaju bloggers, the set of people who actually, went to support the president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. They never believed that what is going on right now will play out. They never believed that up till this moment, 3 months of Emile Khan on that throne, they never believed that people will be lamenting. They never believed. Well, onto their own part, they made it clear that they are just in support of the APC government to get in. Then later they will come back to Yoruba Nation movement. Not that they have pulled their boot. Yes, we all held that. But meanwhile, at the end of it all, it was all God. It was exposed to us that not that they actually love Yoruba Nation. No. Not that because they love Yoruba Nation, that's why they said they just want to go and come back. No, they actually went. They went finally according to what is going on, simply because they were paid. Yes. No, we already know. We know that they know about Yoruba Nation movement. They love Yoruba Nation movement. But at the 11th hour, these people betrayed Chief Sunday Igboho. There's nothing they want to tell us that we will believe. There's nothing this set of people want to say that we will believe, because right now they have seen it all. That majority of people have stopped following them. They've seen it all, that there is no way they can convince the Yoruba people. Right now, what is going on? Chief Sunday Igboho had been vindicated, and then onto the fact that Omiyale and co, the names of the people I just mentioned, this set of people came out, and then they wrote a letter to apologize to Chief Sunday Igboho. In fact, in that letter, I'm just trying to paraphrase. In that letter, they were of the opinion that Chief Sunday Igboho is a great man. For everything Chief Sunday Igboho had done for Yoruba Nation, he does not deserve anybody to betray him. That as far as Chief Sunday Igboho is concerned, that he is a great man. That majority of people who are trying, or they are thinking of, they are with Chief Sunday Igboho, that majority of these people are not actually for Chief Sunday Igboho. That there are some set of people that are pretending to love Chief Sunday Igboho. That most of all these people, they are doing that because of monetization, according to what he said. According to what they said, because they are a group of people, but Omiyale represented them. That Chief Sunday Igboho should not get it twisted, though. That he should not leave the real people who love him. Meaning, himself and Awikoko, Sugar Boy, and the rest of the people are the one who love Chief Sunday Igboho after the old betrayal. Well, they have made it clear that Chief Sunday Igboho should just try and understand that they do not hate him. That though a lot of people will say what they have to say, but the truth of the matter is Chief Sunday Igboho must be very careful and be watchful of the people who are close to him confessing that they love him. And then one big thing I have actually, gotten from that statement was the aspect where he said majority of them do not love Chief Sunday Igboho. They are just using the name of Chief Sunday Igboho to make money. And then somebody now said, just like you made money with Chief Sunday Igboho's name, that settles it. Right now, a lot of people have come out and they have reacted. They have warned Chief Sunday Igboho that Baba Chief Sunday Igboho, wherever you are, don't mind these people. Don't mind them. These are the set of people we call Akpani Mayoda. That don't mind them, that they are looking for another way to come and destroy you. You have to be very careful. This is so serious. Well, all these betrayers should go their own way, according to what Mama Iya 6633 had actually said. All right, I take it again. It says, all these betrayers should go their own way and they never mention Igboho's name from their mouth forever. Because our amiable leader, Chief Sunday Igboho Osha, Omo Aladikun, that Chief Sunday Igboho Osha is a man of honor. Chief Sunday Igboho Osha is an amiable leader. Chief Sunday Igboho Osha, Omo Yoruba Toto, is not a dirty person like you people. And he is a trustworthy and a loyal man to us. The real Omo Yoruba Toto. So you people should leave him alone. My brother, my sister, if you are a strong Yoruba person, you will understand this statement. For somebody to say Chief Sunday Igboho is Omo Yoruba Toto, meaning all this set of people, they are fake Yorubas. Meaning all this set of people, they are wicked Yorubas. Meaning all this set of people are bastards. They are not supposed to be called a Yoruba person. That a real Yoruba person will not betray. This is so serious. That Chief Sunday Igboho is not a dirty person. That all of una make una pack una self, make una leave Chief Sunday Igboho alone. Since you people have collected money and now you have seen it that the money you collected is gone. And at the end of it all, people are not proud of you people for what you did, for what you have done to Chief Sunday Igboho. Now, a lot of them are now looking for a way to come back to Chief Sunday Igboho. So, majority of people have made it clear they are traitors. So, all the Asiwaju beggars, àwọn olè ọ̀dàlẹ̀ ilẹ̀ máa mú wọn láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Okay, that's the conclusion of that. Well, they are hypocrites. They are killers. It is the mind that is worrying them. Okay, it is their mind. I think that's what the person is trying to say, that their conscience is just disturbing them and then they don't know how to come about it. But they have warned Chief Sunday Igboho to stay clear of these people because they are not supposed to be seen with Chief Sunday Igboho. That's so serious. That's so serious. Well, òtítọ́ nìkan ló ń gbé orílẹ̀-èdè níyì. All right, this is another one coming from Dare Adefila. Okay, I take that again. Says, and I quote, òtítọ́ nìkan ló ń gbé orílẹ̀-èdè níyì. They should leave our Chief Igboho alone. God has vindicated the great man. Igboho, Yoruba nation is the answer. God bless you, our Chief Sunday Igboho. Yes, all these betrayers should go their own way and they never mention Igboho's name forever and ever. My brother, my sister, you can get all these things that Yoruba people are actually talking about. The people have seen it all. Why are you not coming out? Fine, if you are saying majority of people who are claiming Chief Sunday Igboho, they don't love him, they are just calling him, supporting him because of monetization. I think those people are better than you people that actually showed it, left him, and betrayed him to the extent you collected money to betray Chief Sunday Igboho. That means if you have the opportunity to end his life and then great and better money was given to you, you would have done that. So I think these people have nothing to say right now. This is so serious. What a shame. What happened again? Please, they should all leave CSI. Jẹ́ kán mọ̀, ọmọ aládìíkún, Májọsọ́lá, Májàsọ́lá Ìgbòho Òòṣà, Baba Dami alone. Okay, CSI should not accept them. It is God that shamed them because they have all failed, and the APC have failed them all. What CSI is doing for them, nobody can do it for them. They have missed him. CSI, please do not get close to them. They are very dangerous, hypocrite killers. It is their minds that is disturbing them. All right, my brother, my sister, you can get everything for yourselves onto this one. This set of people have been embarrassed, they have been disgraced, they have been disappointed. In fact, they have been disappointed woefully. All the Yoruba people have made it clear that this set of people should not even get close to where Yorubas are anymore. You can imagine. It's so bad, it's so painful that somebody like Omiyale will be getting this kind of reactions. Nobody would have believed that this man was so vibrant, and as far as Yoruba Nation movement is concerned, the Yoruba people actually love him so much. They loved him so much. But at the 11th hour, he destroyed everything. Too bad. Too bad, too bad, too bad. Well, Chief Sunday Igboho will continue to be vindicated, and then exactly what is reaching us right now. What more can we say, my people? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks, and God bless.